Okay guys, on June 5, 2024, now you can see that this is my plant of sempervivum tectorum, or it is also called as the house leek plant. Now you can see it has a lot of offshoot babies. So now we will try to take these out. So this is our first baby plant, and this is our second one. This one is the third one, then fourth one, okay, and it has grown a lot of babies on all of its sides. So now we will try to propagate these out. Now you can see these properly. I'm just zooming it out. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 babies. Now you can also see this plant, and these are our cuttings. Now we have to place these cuttings in shade for several days. On June 10, 2024. Now you can see that we have taken our media, and this media is having some sort of clay content in it. So you can see these lumps, but obviously I have added a lot of sand, like 50% sand and 50% simple clay soil. So you can see that its water drainage is very good. Now the whole water has gone absorbed. Now we will level our media. It is necessary. Okay, now you can see these babies, but first level the media properly. The component, the tool which I am using is actually the forceps, surgical forceps. Now I'm inserting my first cutting into the media, and this type of forceps is called as the sponge holding forceps. Okay, so now we have leveled our media properly. And this is my third one. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is fourth one, and now this one is my fifth cutting. Now I will zoom it out. Now you can see it properly that how we have planted all these cuttings within the soil. Now we have to place all of these cuttings in the shade. Okay, so on August 3rd, 2024. Now you can see that this is my result. And I have lost one pot. Maybe I forgot where I have placed it, or maybe the plant used to die. I'm not sure. But I have just got these 3 pots. So now you can see that this is our first result. Now we will go for the second one, and their size used to increase a bit, although a lot of days have been passed, but still it's good. Still it's good that our babies used to survive. Now you can see that there are certain roots, certain tertiary roots from the main taproot. Now Now you can see that there is some sort of algae or moss on the surface of the media, but still it's okay. Now this is my third one, and it also used to survive. And this is fourth one. It also used to survive properly. So now hopefully you got the concept that how you can grow your house leek plant from stem cuttings or side pups. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.